Hello everyone and welcome to this Videos on Frontier video. My name is Jay Wakefield and for the first time we are in my new place, the J-Pad. It's kind of like an iPad but it's one letter on. And what we have here is something that is very useful if you are a member of the stereo dust particles. It is of course a microwave. Now I bet you're getting all sick of me filming unboxing computers, so I thought I would unbox this microwave. This microwave will be good for microwaving microphones, bits of paper, and probably foodstuffs, actually more likely. I'm not going to be microwaving any electronic components. But yes, so now to unbox this Scotch pie cooker. I have a knife. Be careful with these. If you are feeling in a particularly murderous mood, I would get a responsible adult to actually do this for you. Give the Richmond Fellowship a phone on whatever number it is. This is Tesco's finest, by the way. First, you do get a couple of free gifts. First one is a piece of cardboard. And the second one is packaging. So I guess you could use these to make a fort. And here we have the device itself. Allow me to introduce the White-Crowave oven. It's a digital one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through to the kitchen and plug her in. I've already set up a space on the kitchen draining board. See if this thing actually goes. I also get a free piece of sellotape as well. Tesco ever generous with the free gifts. So at least if I go back down south, I'll at least be able to get some microwavable stuff. And if you look at that, there is even a clock. This is quite a good microwave. It has I think this is a free meal. Has a push button for the door. As opposed to opening it manually. I got it on special. It was down £5, so that's kind of nice. First time I've ever bought my own microwave, actually. I'd have loved doing this in 1992, but then again I was always a very strange child. There we go. And then I've got a microwave over there that I put that seems to work perfectly fine. End film.